The days we used to do crunches, sit-ups, you name it, just to get that belly going. The 6 abs. Oh, I used to be like that years ago. Here's a Smart Fitness belt. What is it? Let's get a nice close-up look at it. A user's manual that you go over to learn the machine. Go online and read the instructions and information provided. A small bottle that you put your liquid in. An electronic USB micro cable. The stimulation machine that has its programs, 6 different programs and so forth. The waist belt that's going to give you the muscles that will adjust to different sizes. On the inside, these are the 2 pads that you're going to take the spray and oil down. Let's plug the cable into a port charger and the other end into the device correctly. It is charging. Please be advised not to touch these 2 areas with your body or fingers while the machine is on. Always go over the package and make sure you get everything. Technical specs. Mode 1 is a slow rhythm. Mode 2 is a slightly higher. Mode 3 is just the right and the rhythm changes. Mode 4 is just right. The rhythm changes usually when the muscles is massaged. And mode 4 is just right. The rhythm changes usually when there is no muscle, and so forth. There is no right or wrong way to put this on. What you're going to do is put it on your body. You're going to lift your shirt up and over. You're going to make this just tight enough so you're comfortable, because neoprene type material is going to make you sweat just a little, and I am comfortable. You could take the machine, you could put it upside down if you like, or you could put it right side up. I'm going to turn the machine on. As we learn the machine, if you long press the positive button for over 2 seconds, it turns on. If you hit the negative button, it is shut off. If it's on number, say, 3 or 4, you got to go down to the 0, and the next one will be off. It's got 6 modes. So we're going to turn the machine on. I'm going to be on here. I'm going to make sure I'm on the softest mode. Now what I'm going to show you is by my hand, and that's what I feel. And it's going to do a number of repetitions. The next mode, I increased it just a little bit more so I could feel it. Hit the M for mode number 2. Right now I don't feel it. I'm going to increase it. It's doing this. And it's doing that for a good X amount of seconds, say about 10 seconds. I'm going to go to the next mode, the 3rd mode. I'm going to increase it to 2. I feel it doing this. It slows down a little, and it may grease just a little bit. I'm going to go to the 4th mode, hit the M. I'm going to increase it up to number 2. I feel it's super fast, stop, super fast, stop, super fast, like this, stop, and repeats. I'm going to go to the 5th mode, increase it up by 1. I feel it pulsating, and then it's stopping. It's giving like a rhythm. I'm going to go to the last mode and increase it up by number 2. I feel it doing that and then increasing the speed rapidly. And then it's going to stop and do one of these. And then increase it rapidly and then stop. I'm all done with my routine. After 0, I shut it off. I simply pull this off. I place it back on the charger and I take the belt off. The spray bottle will be filled with water and you'll spray your body so that this way it'll make contact with the battery-powered electric. I cannot tell you that this is a product that will show results. That will be up to you to make the decision on. I hope this product for the stomach may help you out and make a decision for yourself. Depending on a small to a large waist, you'll make the decision if this product will be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product.